What's up? What's up? What's up, YouTube? We are here in the building, Asia session. We are looking at a few charts, basically the dollar charts, of course. We're looking at some yen pairs and some Aussie and some New Zealand pairs. It is the Asia session, so we're looking at some of these pairs. Looks like the New Zealand and the Aussie have changed position. They've got a little strong. We're also going to look at some news and see what might be ahead for the rest of the week and maybe next week. All right, so don't move. We'll be back. Stay put. Welcome back, folks. We are here. The Pip Getterz are here, in and out the building. You know how they do. We got BJ here, Esther in here. We are live. Some of you may be in the markets already looking at some charts. We are, as you can see, the Aussie has regained some strength. Okay, the euro oscillates. Okay. Oscillates above 1.0500. Yes, it's not just me that looks at numbers, okay? Actually, if you look at all of this here, all you see is numbers. Bulls denied first, and we're gonna look at that. We had a couple trades the last live we had on Tuesday. We'll look at some of those cryptos and gold too as well, and some of those zones we had. Can 100 new employees lift the Ripple price from the ashes? We will see. Welcome all our YouTubers as well. Good afternoon. Welcome. Esther, how you doing? Caroline Douglas, good afternoon. How are you? Welcome. Appreciate it. Hit the like button. Tell a friend. Hit the like button. Aussie dollar regains 0.69 amid corrective pullback. So we got some of the currencies bouncing back against the dollar. Euro yen consolidates. U.S. CAD pauses 2-day uptrend. So I've been noticing that the U.S. CAD has been bouncing back and forth. U.S. yen steadies around 135. All right, we'll go look at some of these. Sometimes I like to go in here just to get a good little gist of what may be going on before I step in the arena. Okay, what's going on before I step inside the arena? No, you know what's going on, the less likely. Louis, what's good? Less likely for yourself to get messed up. All right, so we got a few people in the building. Welcome. Glad you can make it. All right. Forex Factory. Thursday. We had some news early this morning on the euro. We had some news on the dollar. Some of y'all may know that. And tonight we have some news with the Aussie as we speak, actually. As we speak. Okay, if we look at FinViz, you'll see that the Aussie and the New Zealand are both stronger than the euro. Are strong too as well. And the Swiss, the US dollar, the yen is looking a little weak. So let's go look at the charts, see if we can find out what's going on. All right, in the daily chart, look at the weekly. We got the US yen at a weekly high. We have yet to break these highs. So as you can see, we are in the area here. For those who trade the US yen, let's go look at relative strength. We have the dollar. We have the dollar as kind of weak. We have the CAD is weak. We got the CAD as 0, 0, and 0. I'm 1, sorry. The euro's kind of weakened up a little bit. Majority still says that the Aussie and the New Zealand is weak. Okay. Got a little bit of strength out of them. The yen got a little bit of strength. So did the pound. The pound that got a little strong. High time frame, we still have Swiss. Okay, Swiss strength, and we still have a little bit of dollar strength. So keeping that in mind. Just kind of the forecast of what might be going on. Just keep that in mind. Pound Aussie, let's start it. I said US yen. Let's start at the US yen. I'm all on the wrong chart. Sorry, y'all. All right, so this week we had a little bit of movement in the US yen. Looks like we have a daily chart. 2 lower lows in a daily. We also have a daily candle breaking this rally-based rally. We do have a nudge going on in progress. We have a daily nudge in progress. I am looking for this to maybe pop right in here where we got some friends. Basically, this area of structure was obliterated. Okay, this 135, 500 area, smacked down, obliterated. Now we do still have the dollar as strong. In high time frame, maybe we'll see it fall a little bit. I do like this area. Let's jump back to a 20-hour chart. Let's see if we can get a higher angle view out of here. Because price could pop. This candle definitely broke this though. So let's go look 15 hour. So we got a 15-hour wick over wick, and we got a drop, base drop. What about somewhere in the high of this candle? $14-hour, wick over wick in a 14-hour. Also have this area, more 50% line, more 75% line. 13-hour, 12. The yen did strengthen up. It's got a little bit of strength, as you guys can see. Small time frame. The yen got a little bit of strength going on, just a smidgen. Can y'all hear me? Everybody got good sound? Make sure y'all let me know if I got good sound. Everybody can hear me. I always tell people, if God didn't make it, it's not going to be perfect. Got a wick over wick. Oh, good. Thank you. I appreciate it, Esther. Cool. All right, so let's chop this chart down a little bit more. Oops. We got some curve coming around too on this these moving averages. Somewhere in here, just 3 hour. We can get price to pop right in here. Maybe we get a little bit of change. If it can make it up there for us. Hopefully it's not too stingy and comes up a low front. Honestly, we already got downward momentum. It might try and be funny at 135, 250. It might not come to the 5 and just right above 250 maybe. Well, we're going to make sure we keep an eye on that thing. Got a nice strong drop. Bang. Broke the low to the left. Couple lows. The dollar is still strong against the yen. But we believe we got maybe some downside momentum if we can get in here. Maybe it'll hop right up. I'll keep an alert on it just so I can keep a watchful eye on it. Maybe price will ding in here. Fall. I like 136 too. I kind of like both little areas. But this is an area of structure here. It is an important area. We already have some downward momentum, so even in the 4 hour. So let's keep an eye on that. Hopefully it makes it up there. U.S. Swiss still in a downtrend, coming off of an area of demand. It's a weekly chart. Let's look at a 2-week chart. 2-week low. We also got a little push going. Let's look at 3-week. Yeah, it looks like it could try and go back that other way. Just maybe not today. All right, so weekly low. We got 2 higher highs here. 1, 2. We still got some 200 underneath, and we got some high time frame momentum just a little bit left. 4-day chart. We got a little push going, and we got a little push going. I believe this, though, broke this. So I believe we're going to go further that way. That's just my belief. We got some turn. We could get a pop back into this candle, but it looks like they're already kind of convinced that we're going this way. 2-day chart. Hello, YouTubers. What's up, YouTube family? See how this kind of broke this demand zone? You're not worthy. And this candle might have broke the barrier there. 1-day chart, daily. Maybe somewhere in this candle, it's a daily chart. So previous day. 2 lower lows. Rejection, reject. This was a nice little short right here. Is this a 4-hour chart? Fritz, what's good? What's good with you, brother? Maybe this little wick over wick. Let's see relative strength with the Swiss. The Swiss got a little bit strong. The Swiss is actually strong in every time frame, to tell you the truth. The dollar's just a little strong too. Let's see what this U.S. Swiss does. Waited for those shorts all week on the pound yen and missed them. I drew out the New Zealand yen short in the live, bro. You can't be serious. Didn't I draw this in the live? I drew this in the live the other day. You cannot be serious. You can't be serious, man. That was incredible. Go look for some friends over here. How'd you miss the yen short, bro? And the thing been dropping all week. The New Zealand yen's been dropping all week. 2 lower lows here. Yeah. Let's see what goeth, oneth, and heareth. Little drop, base drop. It is going this way if goeth. Maybe right here in this right above 250. This tried to hold the 250 zone. This candle right here and then new. For those that are here, hit the like button, please. Let's go get a revamp of this thing. So basically, it's the 4 hour, this 4 hour candle that broke these lows. And you also got this area. Just this area right here looks very important, period. I don't know if it'll make it all the way back up here, but this area looks real special. Somewhere in this area, maybe. Let's see what this is bouncing off of. This is bouncing off of a weekly 2 higher high too, though. So I wonder how much. The week is almost over. It could make it back up to this high. It's gonna, being that this is a low, it's gonna pop up. It's gonna stutter right here, but it's probably gonna eventually end up going further up. Because it's bumping off of this demand zone right here. We'll see. Keep an eye on it. U.S. CAD played with the zone all week. Forgot who I told not to take this trade because it was going to come down here. This thing did this all week. I was like, for real? I had a zone down here that I liked. I didn't take the whole, what I didn't do is take the whole drop base rally. And then somebody had a long here, I think, one of these places. And I thought it was going to come. But it got me. I was a little too low. I was a little too low. 2 higher highs in the daily. Uptrend. U.S. was strong. The CAD had gotten a little weak. I think this is a long actually right now, tonight. Especially since the CAD is weak. I do like this previous day's bullish candle here. Broke this high. I do like a long on this. Somewhere in here. It looks long-ish. Let's see what we can. Let's see what we can find. Somewhere in this wick over wick, maybe if it comes back and touches 750. Uh-oh. Looketh over there. Madest thou look? You see something. I do like this if this can come. Let's see. Kind of in this area. It's kind of important, huh? This wick over wick right here would be the previous 4-hour candle that acted a straight fool. Let's go to the 4-hour candle. Maybe the 50% line. Somewhere in between the 50% line and 25%. That is a long. We still have the dollar as strong and the CAD as a little weak. We got the CAD with some weakness. I don't know what did I make this. There we go. CAD is a little bit weaker. The dollar's a little weak too, but the CAD is a little bit weak in three. This is a 0. Probably gonna look at the CAD yen too and a couple other pairs. Let's see. Excuse me, people. A little bit of water. Somewhere in this wick over wick, really. 70 minute chart. 75. There it goes. 75-minute chart. Maybe we can get a little love out of that. If not, it just looks like a long. It broke the trend line kind of. Excuse me, folks. Kind of a bullish candle. Trend line break. Higher lows. Oop. Higher lows. So we probably gonna retest this low at some point. It could come down even. Just keep an eye on it, folks. Y'all so funny. Adorable even. New Zealand dollar, that's still in the downtrend. I was trying to see where this zone might be. In the high time frame, this is kind of, if you plot this is kind of in a, if this is the low, this is also a monthly rally based rally with no wick at the back. In the monthly can't, no, it is a little wick. Kind of a monthly rally based rally. 3-week, 2-week chart. It's in a 2-week chart. Y'all see this? Kind of looking at this little area right here. Bink, bink, bink. So just being careful on shorting this. It is coming to some high time frizzame. Not playing no gizane. I kind of think this might try and pop back up too. See this 3-day rally base rally, and we got this wick over wick. 2 days. All right. So on a 2-day chart, we had this rally base rally, and we got this one down here. I don't know if it's gonna make it all the way down. I think it might just tap in there. Let's look at a daily chart. Trend is still down. I actually don't like this chart. Skip, I'll pass. I like this a little more. Of course. Probably gonna hate and not come back up in here. Keep an eye on this, folks. This is the definite drop if price pokes in here. I would assume so. Somewhere in here. They'll probably poke further down. We're in a downtrend. This little area probably right here. Uh-oh. We found some area. Somewhere like right in here. Price was to come in here, I'd probably re-short it. Right in there. Since price denounced this area, it'll probably fall. This is a daily. I see this 4-hour drop, base drop right here. If it breaks through this wick over wick, this 4-hour bing, bing, bing. Bing, bing. Right in there. And that's going to make it very hard to just blow through that. Got a 4 and a 3-hour 200 above it. Got a 2 trying. But I don't know if it's going to be enough. Yeah, Louis, why didn't you take this short? I drew this right the other day, previous week's high. Look at this drop. This is one of the easiest trades this week. I drew it for y'all. Y'all want me to come in the house and press the trade button for you too at 500? How many pips did this drop? Y'all want to go back to the previous video? Y'all can't watch this. I did draw this Tuesday morning. I drew this Tuesday morning. It hit at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It was on its way that morning. Nice short though. 200 pieces. Press the button. Tell him, Esther. I just try to watch 3 pairs max. It's not always the pair. Sometimes what people don't know is the situation. If you know what the situation a pair needs to be in, you just go through the pairs and find the one that's in the situation. You dig? BJ, you got out of this trade, huh? I know you was in this yesterday. I can see it's turning back. It's short twice. BJ caught this short right here. Not bad. This morning you could have caught this too. Off the previous candle. Previous day's candle, 4-hour. 2 lower lows. 1, 2. Strong Swiss. New Zealand Swiss short. Bang. Let me see how this looks right now though. Looks like stuff wants to hit a demand zone and consolidate. Probably going to turn around just a little bit. Pound dollar. Looks trash. I think this could possibly fly. It looks trash until you look at it again and again and again. You gotta make it make sense. You dig, you dig, you dig. So, folks, price fell. Bang. Then came and said, boop, I'm gonna sell you too. Nope, you ain't. Boop. So what did we break right in here? We had to break something right in here, right? Sell, 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 and then the trend didn't turn down. It came back that way. So we had to break something in here, right? Correct. I got a pound long at 25, 22.55. What candle embarrassed this supply zone? And we got some help. Let me see. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's this? Got price tiptoeing back in here somewhere. 2 back that way. Off this line. This area right here. Hit the like button. Por favor, please. Thank you, kindly. It could be here and it could be here too. On the sideways market, it could come back down in here too. To this little area. Let's look at this in the daily one more time. So it could come retest the daily low again. So we got higher lows. So it's going to come back and try and retest a low. So you got lower highs, higher lows, back and forth until somebody becomes the boss. This rally base, see the selling pressure? Then bang. I like the thing that makes me not think that this is coming back down is these moving averages about to cross right here. That's what makes me think you're not coming way back down here because of this little scoop. This might not even come back down here. Yeah, this looks like it wants to be. It's got some. It got a couple 200s above it though. I don't know why. I like this a little bit. I don't know. Keep an eye on that. It does look like it'll come back and go that way. Double tap 1, 2. Or is it just me? What y'all think? The 9 o'clock candle might come back down here and go that way, maybe. Who knows? I don't know. What do I? Pound New Zealand. Looks like it might want to fall too. Don't like that. Not really. Anybody have any questions, comments? Feel free. The Swiss is strong, folks. So I'm just looking at a short on the pound Swiss. It's at 10. 8 hours. What's it? 7. Trying to find a zone in here. Maybe this drop, base drop. 7, 6, 5. It's this push right here, push down. Somewhere in here, price came, broke the low, pushed up, broke the low, pushed up off some demand, and then broke the low. This candle. Look for the high of this candle or maybe this rally base drop up here, 750. The actual turn. This right here looks pretty good. It might not even make it up here. Where's the previous? This. Yeah, I got 9 o'clock candle green back that way to a short. Maybe this rally base drop right here that broke the low. We got 2 lower lows. 1, 2. Turn. Bang. We got 750 in here too. So keep an eye on both of those. Oh, look what happened here. What's going on here, buddy? Previous weeks cracking. Sometimes hard to see a zone. You just know that this is previous week's highs, just knowing that this is some structure here. Of course, there's a whole number here, so it's gonna be a reaction of some kind. Daily's coming off. Maybe we might get a little fall off of here. See some. The pound is this much stronger? How much stronger is the pound than the Aussie? Pound, 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 pound. Anybody else looking at anything? Pound has a nice little rally-based rally right here. Broke the previous high. We got 250 right here. Let's go take a deeper dive. Be more investigatory. 70 minute, 75. Uh-oh. I like that though. For a stronger pound than an Aussie. Price comes back down. Let's see if we might get a nudge in a high time frame. Might get a nudge in a high time frame. This is the 4-hour candle. Price could come to the bottom or it could come to the 50% line. To be more conservative though, to come down in this little area. Something like that. Something like that. Folks, set up your zones. Look at the week. Quad the week. Look at that. What in the world? Come on, man. Nobody saw that? Can we look at Aussie dollar? We on our way to it. Unless you in a rush, Esther, hold on. I know you be having to skate sometimes. You know, you got to do book signings and stuff.
Now you asked what we're looking at. I'm suggesting one.
I know you got to do book signings and kiss babies.
No book signing today.
Kissing babies. Book signings.
Yeah, you made me sound like a pretty politician.
Yeah. I want you to be as important as it possibly can be. I want you as important as possible. Yes, Louis. Esther at the beach, drinking mojitos. You right.
I feel like a pretty politician.
We know. Probably a good one, too. I'd vote for you. I still don't even like this. It's coming off of this. It's coming off of this right here. The reason why I don't like no long on short on this is because of this. It hit it once and then it's coming back again on this low. So I don't know how much higher this is going. Maybe to this 250, maybe. I think it might even clear this candle and maybe hit up here. Like if I take this off on a daily and you go past this daily candle, which is yesterday, into the day before yesterday's candle. If you go into this candle here, this candle's up there. So in this candle, that means you got to look above the 50% line in this candle, which would be here, which would be that. So it might come not into, it might below yesterday's candle and come up into the day before yesterday's candle. If it doesn't come in here and tries to slide up in there, it's like a reverse head and shoulders. See this base drop right here? Slickery. It might try to bypass this tap up in here. 40-minute, 50. This drop base drop right there, maybe. This is real fickle right here. I think it's gonna blow past this candle up into this one somewhere. Maybe to the top of this rally base drop. Yeah. Let's go look to the side. Investigatory. We got some shorts over here. Let's go see. Oh. But I tell you, come on now. It's kind of popular right there. Plus the market think they slick. So if this kind of continues to kind of bump up in here, kind of past this into here or here. Because this is very extreme right here, this right here. It could fall from where it's at to here, but I still think this is going to push up. It's going to toggle up to here. I could be wrong, but what do I know? But that's just my personal belief. What's this, 69 even? I think it might turn around at 69 and go back that way. Or it could just fall from right at this drop, base drop, and just say, Q doesn't know what the hell he's talking about. But if I was to short, it'd be up here. So, just me personally. Does that meet your specifications? I hope that helped. What this pound dollar is gonna do? Pound New Zealand scratch. Pound Swiss maybe up a little short. Pound Aussie definitely a long. Just hope it comes back to get us. This is definitely a long because it's tired of this. I told no, we're not selling here. You can look at this, tell this that we're out. Like you can actually look at this and look at this, and you can tell that we're making higher highs and higher lows. So that should tell you, with a strong pound, that I should be looking for a long in here something. I do like the long in there though. I do like the pound Aussie long somewhere. It just looks like if this wick over wick in a daily broke that. So there's a long in here. Tonight. You can see that this was the last wick standing. Broke the high. Bam. It's the last wick standing. We got some upward momentum going that way. Instead of this way, we're going this way. Let's see what this pound yen hit the previous weeks. This is a low. This is probably going to pop up too a little bit. Looks like it wants to do it right now. Yeah, we got a nice little 2-hour moving average right here. Probably going to hold it up. Let's see. What's that? Hit the like button. Oh yeah, this about to go viral. Not viral, viral. This gonna go viral off of 165. At least it looks like it. Oh boy. Yeah, this might go viral. At least for a little little bit. It's a lot of moving averages hanging out under there, ain't it? Like, we got you. Don't you worry about falling. Dang, like every moving average time frame is underneath the thing. What's this about? What's it about that? What you noted about that? All right, we do got a 30-minute above it though, and a 15. It's kind of sketchy. It has to touch right here. Doop. It does look like it wants to push up because we have a bullish candle that broke this previous supply. We also have some downward momentum. Not my favorite cup of tea, but it does look like it wants to go that way. Let's see to where though. Boom, boom, boom. Ba-dum, boom, ba-dum. Boom, ba-dum. Yeah, that's about to go say hi to something. Yeah, that's gonna go past this too. That's gonna end up here with no wick at the back. Ba-dum, ba-dum, dum. Just looks like it could stop right here. Let me not say it's gonna go all the way up here because it could stop right here too and get smacked right back down at 66. Because this is curved over it. So it could come in here and fall too. But right now it looks like it wants to go this way, which it will for a few pips. It's hard to judge sometimes. 12 hour. Oh boy. 12 hour might have did it. 12 hour might have did it. Bang, 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 bang. Where? 12, 13, 14, 15. Whoa. That thing looks strong, don't it? Like, I'm about to go long again. No, you're not. Two lower lows, too. Yeah, y'all look for artists. Look, make sure y'all pay attention to this drop, base drop in the pound yen. This is our pound CAD from the other morning as well. It hit that night. It took a while to get down. Drew this. It hit twice. You might still be in it. It did hit our target for 80 pips. If anybody took it, previous candle, wick over wick, no wick at the back. Came down here and found the zone. 158 even. We're moving average support, wick over wick, and I think we had a rally base rally. This is from the other morning. Beautiful rally base rally, picture perfect. 80, I guess a little over 80 pips. Oh, actually did 100. Oh, excuse me. From the other morning. I still think this is a long. Rat nah. Oh yeah, this is a definite long. This is a buy. Broke these highs. Looks like the pound might try to be strong tonight. Hold on, 4 hour. 4 hour 240. Let's look at 200. What's going on? 200, 180, 190. Rally, base rally in a 190. Wait a minute. gonna come to the lowdown. It's gonna get some action. 159. Boop boop. What's going on here? 150. Hit the like button, people. Hit the Liz Ike button. Share, tell a friend. Tell a friend. 130. There you go. I think we got enough moving averages underneath. Let's see. Let's look at the 30-minute is underneath. 45. 1 hour. 2 hours. 3 hours. 4 hours underneath. 5 and 15 underneath. 5 underneath. There you go. Drop right here. Drop right here. Buying. I'm buying. I'm buying. Flick that thing. Matter of fact, watch it try not to come all the way down. It better come down. We gonna have problems. 40. The pound yen is flying. Nobody listens to me. I think it's still gonna come back a little bit though. I just be on here wasting my time. I think this looks like a fall. A fall. It does look fallish, don't it? Could fall and pop right back up. Then rejected you already. Came back some sideways. Two. Maybe since it's sideways, it might. This is definitely a good little. Not bad. Right in there. We got some moving averages hanging up. Oh, we got some underneath too now. Well, it is sideways, so we're going to have some underneath and some above. I would give this zone a shot, though. Previous day's high. That's if it gets up there. It might fall before that. If it falls before this, it's falling from this right here, this 500 wick. Which I don't know how in the world, but it is possible for it to do so. Let's look at a 35-minute chart. Maybe. That pound CAD though, I love that. I'm not in love with that euro. What is this? Is this a short? Oh, this was my little crappy long last night for like 40 pips. That's what this was. A little long last night, right into the previous day, weeks. Confirmation candle doji. Pushing back there. Yen pairs. All right, let's see. $142.5 looks decent on that euro yen. So this rally base drop right here trickled down. Almost the same place that these pound yen might. I don't know, man. These shorts right here on these yen pairs look kind of nasty, don't they? This pound yen might be a short right here. At one right above 166, y'all.
I have a short on the US yen.
Mm-hmm.
It just hit my
It's right there
zone.
too. They all right here. It looks like it.
Yeah. What do you think? My entry is at 135, 125.
It's whatever this zone is. You just got in. Mine's is a little bit higher than yours, just a smidgen higher.
Okay.
You know, I'm extra picky. I need to see it pierce. I need to see it in here.
Yeah, my entry was at 135, 125. 135.125.
I need to see this pound yen right here looks good too, though. Right in here. They all look good just right in that little special place. That means
New Zealand yen is there too.
Right here. No wick at the back broke this. Wham. And two lower lows from here. 3 actually. And we broke 85. So the 250 retest. Maybe 500 retest. Alrighty then. I swear when y'all be doing these sessions, y'all be confusing the hell out of me. I don't know what y'all to look at after. Nice little fall right here off the pound New Zealand. Pound Swiss, pound Aussie. What's this? You gotta come down here, pound Aussie. You gotta do 250. Nothing less. 250. Yeah, I need you to come all the way down here to this drop base rally. Pound CAD. I don't know. This thing is scaring me. But I do like this pound CAD right here. But it's scaring the crap out of me. Should go that way because of the 4 hour. This pound CAD should go that way. It really should. This would be mind-boggling if this didn't go that way. What's this? Maybe it's... Y'all watching me, a freak of nature in action. It has to come here. You gotta drop right down in here. Click it. And what's this? Man, this is a tough one. I want price to come right where it doesn't have to, but I want it to come sell, sell, push sell, right where this wick pushed down and then this one pushed up, which would be right in here. This wick over wick, basically. It's gonna come past this. It could hit this doji too and leave. Be like, stupid. Euro New Zealand. That's gonna be a long eventually too. This is the long of the dang it. This is Q trade. I don't know if y'all remember this, but these zones were drawn during the live the other morning. Aggressive and conservative. I don't know who remembers this from the live on Tuesday morning. Both of them. Same little thing. Uh-oh, what's that? US yen going on? What's that? The pound yen shoot up too? Yeah, just not as forceful. $0 is definitely going to tank. That is going to drizzle. Dun, dun, dun. From the other morning, people, I was looking at it the other night, long right here. So I redrew this zone and kept this as my stop loss. This thing came out of here at 6:30. Bang. Gone. I think this is a long two still. Oh yeah. It just it could come break this low and come down here. I'd rather wait till it comes down in here. It has to in this area. Daily 20-hour, 15-hour. It has to come right here. Euro New Zealand long. Blue hoop. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, definitely like that. You can come down here and make the zone smaller if you want, or position size as necessary. Oh man. Yeah, folks, y'all might want to put an alert on that thing. Let's wait a while. See this little area of importance? Please, no, please, no. Shut up and go to bed. I want to watch. I'm hungry. This is the kids coming back to the kitchen with every excuse. This is you. Come back in this kitchen one more time. And then they come back out. Didn't I tell you? That's when you chase them back into the room. That's your trade, is you chasing the kids back into the bedroom. Belt, whatever choice of disciplinary tool that you use. Belt, slipper, heel, purse strap. Am I telling on my mama? Didn't I tell you? Don't like this Euro pay.
If you're Mexican, you have to do a Tesla.
Exactly. Yep. Didn't I tell you? This looks good too. It could fall. Euro Aussie might. Yeah, I want both of them to come down actually. I want this to come down. Euro Aussie to come down. Right, and damn, what if it don't come back and just keep going? Come on, Euro Aussie. What if it said I left here already? No, you didn't. Come back. Hit the 50%, almost. Let me see. 50% line. Yep, it is candle. Right above it. Dang it. This wick over wick right here. This thing finna be out too, y'all. It came to the wick over wick instead of the zone. It might come back if we pray over it. Please come back. Oh, let's hope it comes back right in here and lands right into this little dinky. It could come back, people. Let's not lose all the faith. 50-minute, 55, 45, 40-minute. See this base rally right here? This is what we need in life. That's what we need price to come back in here and show us some love. what's that, a 40 minute? 35. Ooh. Right in here. Yeah, boy. It looked like, did it touch 52? Yeah, it touched 52 too, but it didn't touch 52s. It didn't touch 51,750. Let's see if we can get price to come back. Maybe. Let's look to, what's this, 4 hour? It's somewhere down in here, period. Because this broke all of this. And then they broke the high right here. Bam. Somewhere in here, somebody's got to pay retribution. Somebody's got to pay. Somewhere down in here. Hopefully it does come back. Doesn't leave off of 500 or 5. It's 250 look like. I don't like nothing else in here though. It doesn't come back to here. I don't want it. Euro Swiss, what does that look like? Swiss pairs have been behaving this week, just dropping because the Swiss said so. You know, just previous day candles, previous 4-hour candles, just obedient. Had to add the Swiss pairs back to my Chizards. Swiss is still strong. Please look for a short right in here somewhere. Don't miss it. Nice big candle, broke the previous low. Blue. Little structure. We do have a zone right above it as well. Check them both out. This drop, base drop right here. And we got one right here. So check them out. Check them out. Check them out. It's at 30, 40 minute. $35. So we got a wick over wick here and a little doji. Boop. What are we gonna do from here? I'll tell you what we're gonna do. See that doji right there? I'm confused. Well, let me help you out. Since you're confused. So we got these zones right here, these structure zones here. So price could come right to where it tried to hold. Fall. 250. It could fall from 250. Tell you the truth. Somewhere right in here. Right in here. This drop, base drop right here looks clean. This one does too. Take your time, folks. Trade smart and trade the chart. As always. This is a short on the Euro CAD. I know it looks long to y'all probably, but this is definitely a short. At least to this low. It's going to drop to this candle, to the low probably of this candle. Back down in here. If you were shorting it right now, this very second, it's going to drop back. I think. Back down. Probably moving average going to hit it again, probably back up the other way. So the trend is up. Price fell, pushed up, fell again, and pushed back up. So this is going to go back up. So this is a long two. We got a weak CAD. The chart just told us a story. I don't want to go down, but you have to. I don't want to. Listen. You come back down here again, it's going to be trouble. Trouble. But I don't want to. Okay. And we're going to make two highs out of it. We're going to make a big deal out of it. Feel free to interject anybody, you know, if anybody has their own personal views. Right in there, right? Pretty good. Maybe this little wick over wick, or maybe further down, say 35. Oops. 35. Back, man. This is 500 right here. So maybe the retest of 500 might get beam back that way. Out this little area. This area right here. Howdy, people. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We got our zone right here and definitely our drop base rally right here, which is if price goes to the previous day's low, like I said. So if price drops all night back into hit it back up, this might be where it goes to. Probably will drop. Probably it's going to keep dropping until it gets down here. Bang, broke the low and then pow. See how this came in base and broke the high? It's supposed to be right here. Wait. They stop people out too on purpose. I do believe this is going to go back up. The CAD is weak. Hope some of y'all are paying attention to the first day of confirmation on the short theory. How do you know when to short? I look for the first day of confirmation. I do this every week. Every week I do the same thing. How do you? Previous candle confirmation. This candle broke this rally base rally. So I'm going to look for that. Maybe. It's getting nudged right now, but it's a lot of selling in that candle. Somewhere in here, this, you see how price held 141. Let's go. 41. You my baby. You my baby. I don't care about you or 141. Bang! You take 141 and you know what to do with it. Go shove it. Was trying to hold it too. 140, 140, 141, and just swag. Y'all see that? Now, I'm not going to say this is definitely going to fall, but the probabilities. See that rally base rally price came and said, wait a minute, and no. Now, folks, when you take in again shorts and longs, you always want to take shorts and longs against the strongest and weakest pairs. Okay. Now, the Swiss is not the weakest pair. Now, if you wanted to short the yen, short a pair against the yen, you want to short it against the weaker pair, like maybe the CAD yen right now, because look at that. Is this a level on level? And the CAD yen, I'm glad I caught this before it slipped away. What is that? CAD yen? One of my favorite pictures in the world, level on level. Bam. Oh, man. See that, folks? Rally base rally. They tried. They tried again, and they tried one more time, and then, listen. And they're going to try again. Hopefully you in the next try. Oh, yeah, this is a beautiful short. Pound CAD long and CAD yen shorts. Oh, boy. No, don't you try and turn right. You get up in here. Yeah, this is definitely some good shorting right here. Got a lot of blue magic above it. A lot of blue magic. I do like this area right here, short for the CAD yen. Bang, bang. Level on level with no wick at the back. Holla if you hear me. Can I get a smackdown moving average? Smack that thing back this away. This is 144 where it is now. We were talking about price dropping from here too. Currently, I think there are a few yen pairs in supply zones. I think Esther's in one. I think somebody else might be in one. This would be where that trade would be right now on the compared to the CAD yen. It would be this zone. And the zone further would be the other zones a little bit above. I like this though. CAD yen, the CAD is pretty weak. If it gets up there sometime tonight, I will holler at it. Swiss yen too, if it gets up there. Some of these look like they want a curve tonight. It's just from where? What's the US yen doing? Playing around? It looks like they want a curve tonight. Some of the yen pairs. Some of them. What's the US Swiss doing? Hating? Come on, Swiss, US Swiss. You're a hater, bro. Hater. New Zealand CAD is a hater too. I think it's gonna be stronger. That news. The CAD is weak, folks. So watch out with the CAD pairs because the CAD is weak. Be careful. That's what. How do you decide your total take profit? That depends. It's probably like 5 different answers for that, depending on if I'm awake, sleep, if I'm trading counter trend. If I'm trading with the trend, I'm going to expect more than if I'm trading counter trend. If I'm awake, I might sit and manage it, so I'll probably get more out of the trade than if I'm getting tired. I'll just take whatever I got and go to bed because it's not worth it. Waking up with less. So it's a whole lot. Education-wise, you're just supposed to leave it at the previous. Like, say if you went long and you see this here, you leave your target here. You always leave your target at the previous supply. And if you were short, you would leave it at the previous demand. I like 4-hour previous supply. It depends on what time frame you trade. Some people like 4-hour previous supply and demand. You got people that like 30-minute previous supply and demand. They in here like this, back and forth. The 30-minute. Some people like weekly supply and demand. They back and forth. They waited for this weekly wick over wick. You know, so it depends on what time frames you trade. Pound dollar's trying to leave without me. I think it could come back down. Come back down. Come back down. Still believe this is going to go up. What's the pound CAD do? Pound CAD might not come. It might try this little flaky move right here. For some reason, I think the pound might try and get strong tonight. Maybe. I'm not in love with a lot of stuff tonight, but I like a few things. I like this Euro New Zealand, Euro Aussie long. Definitely like this uptrend crap right here. I like those CAD longs. I definitely like this pound CAD long. And this US CAD long. I like them. Pinky. Hopefully they act like they got some sense. I like this Euro Yen short if it tries to act like it loves somebody. Right in here. Pinky. And the CAD Yen short, I like that too. Other than that, I ain't feeling really too much. EuroCAD maybe. I'm not in love with it, but you know, it could do something strange. Pop and hit it. EuroCAD could right in one of these zones. This one or this one. That's pretty good too. If it might not break this 200 to come back though. So for those that don't know, we are retracement traders. Okay. Only way you buy, sell, market if price is in my zone, and then I might buy, sell, market. The last yen pair you want to short is the Swiss. The Swiss is the strongest. The Swiss is strong in every time frame. So if you're going to short a yen pair, please do not short the Swiss yen. I was just drawing it. Give y'all a piece of. If it starts to turn and fall really crazy, then maybe. But until then, Swiss is still strong. CAD Swiss been a nice short all week. Probably a short again tonight. It is down here, but I think we blowing this joint. Previous 4-hour candle broke this. Supply. I think Swiss pairs are about to get their head knocked off tonight. I'm assuming. I like that wick over wick. I like this drop, base drop too. I like that Wheezy over Wheezy. Which should be this drop, base drop. No, this drop, base drop. Wheezy over Wheezy. If it gets here, short it. Closest to current price. This little area right here was broke. It held it. No. Shut it up. Bang. This would be a good short if price gets up there. We got a lot of moving averages above. We got the 5 minute above it too. CAD is weak. If price pops up in there, I ain't afraid of no ghost. Who you gonna call? Definitely if price gets up in here. So, because that broke everything. I would definitely like to see that CAD yen drop though. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm more up in this area right here with it. Maybe I'll look at it up here. It's getting some nudge action, so it might come further into the candle. It's got a little help. If this wasn't on underneath it and they were above it like this, yeah, I can't even find nothing. If it was above it like this, then yeah. Because it's underneath it, you know. It's going to nudge it up a little bit. It's probably going to come back up in here. I would scratch this first zone. I think the yen pairs are going to come up a little bit further into their previous day's candles. But this is definitely given the, if you come up here, I'm going to knock you down with vibes. Every time frame. 1 hour. Yeah, this might even try to turn right now. Huh? I'm gonna wait though. Plus, I can't teach and I can't do lives and trade at the same reason. Let this come back up here. Aussie yen. Again, like I said, I think these yen pairs are gonna come a little bit further into the candle. They are shorts. It's just they gotta come into the candle a little bit. This wick over wick in the daily. Somewhere in here, maybe the 93,500, 750 area. 15 hour. Now that looks delicious. 15 hour, 17 hour. Right in here, maybe. 15 hour, 13 hour chart. Like, dang, it's like, no, you ain't even going back. 12 hours. 10 hours. Oh, man, we might not even get that. Aussie yen short, 93.5. Bang-a-lang-a-lang-a-lang. Let's see. 8 hours. These yen pairs might fall from where they at, yo. I got it. If it comes up in here, I might bang around. 593.5. See if we can get a push back down that way. 6 hours. The yen pairs like to move in the middle of the night. That piece, yeah. I've been lazy lately, yo. I'm about to get unlazy in a minute. They do like to go bump in the middle of the night. You right about that. This a level on level 2? Oh, man. Yeah, that yen pair looks like it is about to say bye-bye. Goodbye, love. That looks like a guy record right there. The more conservative person says wait for up here. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take the high of this candle and this wick over wick. This 4 hour candle, 2 lower lows. Bang, bang. You gotta think strategic with these people. You feel? Right up in there. Skidoo. Somewhere in here. If it doesn't come up here, then it comes right here. All right, I'll hang out right here. I'll see what it does. See what it do. Aussie Yen had a banging. Remember this short, BJ? Gosh dang it. Same previous day's candle with the friends over here. Big candle. Do. I think this is almost, previous week's candle. Bam. Little hangover 3 going on over there. That thing still dropping. Aussie Swiss, another good trade always. Swiss been strong all week, so it's a lot of fall in here. Where we at right now? We in a weekly rally-based rally. Man, look at this in the monthly, people. I don't think it's ready to hatch yet, though. But it's always good to know where you at. Where they at, dude? 3 weeks. Drop-based rally in a 3-week chart. 2-week chart. Bam. Oof, boy, this is amazing. 1-week chart. It has to come further down, though. 3 days. What is about to go on over here with this Aussie Swiss 2 day, 1 day? I think it's gonna come in the zone a little more. Dun, 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 dun. Come here and drop right further into the zone, maybe. Didn't go long. Maybe give us one more touch, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Maybe give us a little bit more nudge at 500. Back that way. If it gets down into this 66 even, y'all know what to do. And you know what to do. This is a monthly. What day of the month is this? It's week, so maybe it'll come right there. It's in a downtrend, so wait for it to turn first. But this does look good. We got any Swiss news coming? This might not want to come back all the way. I'd short it again one more time. See if it'll come back down. The Swiss is strong, so it should work. The short. Don't like this chart. I do believe that there is a sell order here though. Just not feeling this chart. I think I asked you this already before, but right now on the yen, what would you be waiting for to take the trade? For price to hit my zone or to hit my alert or something. That's what I'd be waiting for, an alert or price to hit my zone. Aussie CAD has a nice drop, base drop right here. Actually, a nice, beautiful one. On the CAD is kind of weak, but the Aussie is weak too. So it's drop, base drop right here. Please don't miss it. Please don't skip it. Drop, base drop on at 0.9 even. Don't miss it. Don't skip it. Thinking. Don't say I hadn't told it you. Let's hope it gets up in here. Nice little short. That doesn't look too bad. That looks pretty nice. US 30. I didn't erase any zones. These are the zones from the other morning. We had longs and shorts. I didn't know if anybody took these shorts or longs. This is the long from the other morning. 8 o'clock, 9 to the top of the previous day, which I said was going to be some shorts here. So I don't know if anybody took any shorts on the US 30 in the past day or so. We did draw this previous day's candle. Free money on a downtrend on the US 30. Price trending down. One more red candle. The last little bit of juice. Whoosh, back into the demand zone. Looks like US 30 wants to go up. Actually, yes, the US 30 does look buyish. Sure does. Longs from the other morning. I don't think we caught everything, no, but we still had some good trades from the other morning. This was a beautiful long too. Some beautiful shorts. This looks long a little bit right now. I don't know what's up with this supply zone. Nope. We got to break this moving average. It looked like it wants to break it tonight, but I'm not doing nothing until it does. If you want, we can look at a sell order inside this gap. This would be a tough gap to trade, wouldn't it? They said if you want to trade the gap, you trade the entry. So please be aware of a short up here when price gets there. Price did gap down and break the low. So structure. See if we got anything through and through. No. It did gap. Oil fell from our zone. Flew through this zone, hit the bottom one. It's kind of a target-ish. Same procedure. Previous week's high, you go find a candle and you go find a zone. Top, short, bottom, buy. Bitcoin. Somebody asked me about a short on Bitcoin or where was Bitcoin going. We just missed it. I chose this zone up here. The top came midway. I figured that to this wick over wick, these 4 hour wick over wick here instead of this 4 hour. Didn't draw both zones, just drew one, but the hey. Shorted Bitcoin, I still think it's gonna go up a little bit. Probably drop a little bit, a little back and forth. It is in one of them good demand zones, but we did break through a weekly wick over wick. So be careful. I don't know what crypto is going to do right now. It looks sideways. I think I missed, not fully, but some of the gold zone I drew came further down. Did leave from here, this little area, a couple times that morning. This long did work the other morning, but it stopped us out here. But this zone worked. We drew this the Tuesday morning. This long right here was a good long. I thought it was coming off of here, but it finally did come down. This might have been a better zone down here. Man, that was beautiful. Sheesh. Anybody see this? Man. And they played with you too. Ain't that a blip? Let's see what gold is doing. Gold looks like it's gonna continue to melt. Yeah, gold is gonna continue to drop, people. It's gonna pop up a little bit and then fall again. You want to short gold, you sure can. Yes, this has a lot of baggage on its back. I'd wait for it to come back off of this though, back into this. It's gonna bounce off of here somewhere. Probably this little drop base rally. I might want to go long on gold right here. This drop base rally gets you a few pips, no wick at the back. But be careful for price popping back up in here to short again. It's not a bad zone. It's actually a pretty good zone in gold. It's very bottom. That's the very low. You can't get no lower than that. Wick over wick. What's in this wick over wick? Let's see. It's a rally-based rally with no wick at the back in a 5 minute. Tomorrow morning it might hit and then pop back in here. Fall. It's a low. Daily low. Not a weekly low, but definitely a daily low. It's tanking though. Man, this would have been a good trade for the last 2 weeks. Definitely this week. It might even break this. I still like this though. Right here. That's not a bad trade to take right here. That little touch off of this. Ripple. Oh, damn, Gina. Damn, Gina. Oh, damn, Gina. Oh, and I was waiting for this too. How long ago I drew this, BJ? This is like 5 videos ago, and I'm still not in this trade. Drop base rally. This is like a 6-month chart. Like, this is crazy. It's a 6-month drop base rally. Like, that's what it is. Trend line break. Came all the way to, it's a monthly 2 higher highs. 1, 2, and a monthly. Drop base rally, 2 higher highs. And I knew this was going to happen. You still got time to buy this. If this is where crypto turns around, you got time to buy this. It's about to break this 4-hour moving average though, BJ. It's about to break the 4-hour. And the 3, this is already broke the 2 and the 1. It's out of here. Ripple might be on his way back up, people. Might hit a little. I'll wait still. I got to see what this does. But this is still going to smack Ripple in the face right here. Ripple gonna feel it when they get there a little bit. It was a strong zone that tried to hold and came. It's gonna toggle right here around a little bit. Once it gets really good, nice and smoking, fire gets smoking, it might just blow. This is gonna go. It might be time for cryptos to turn, or at least Ripple. What's Shiba doing? Shiba came out that zone. It's been sitting here for a couple of days. This was a nice long the other day if you wanted to take it.
Should have bought it at 750.
What?
Shiba.
Shiba, yeah. It came to a nice. Shiba had the prettiest zone than any crypto. Like the prettiest zone in the world. What is that? Like, what is that? Like an idiot would have bought it right here. I didn't even see it. Thanks, Mark, for telling us late, though. But if it starts to turn around, which it looks like it's doing now, trying to, crypto's about to go. Some people about to get their money back. There's some crypto holders about to get a couple dollars back. Just hold your mute. What is gold going to do right here, though? What, these demand zones look kind of funny. All right, let's go look back at see what's the. Oh, you son of a gun, U.S. And my alert went off. I guess I don't deserve it. Let's see. U.S. Swiss. Is anybody in anything? New Zealand is the cat is weak, so hopefully y'all know. My pound dollar is trying to go. I really like that trade too. I knew that was going. I might get in this later. That's about to go schwammy. I might get in that later. That's about to do something. It's just some moving averages is above it. It's going to give it some problem. But I think this is going to go somewhere. I'm going to watch that. Now New Zealand still dropping. Told you that was a short. Pound Aussie waiting for it to come down to the special area. Pound yen. I still think that's going to go up a little more. Dollar. Euro yen. Suck too. Come on, Euro New Zealand. That's going to come down here. Somewhere down in here. Hopefully it just doesn't blow this joint. Is this some weekly crap? But that looks pretty powerful right in this little area right there. Powerful. Yeah, waiting for a new candle to develop is really good. Sometimes I wait for that new candle to develop. Yeah, I knew that EuroCAD was going to do that. Swiss yen. Swiss yen might be doo-doo by tomorrow morning. CAD yen. It came to the zone, though. I just hope it doesn't continue to fall all night. I would definitely love that. I just wanted it to come a little further. It still could, though. It could trickle up here while we sleep. $7.50 or 94. I'm watching you yen pairs. Y'all think y'all slick. The Aussie's trying to get strong too, people. So Aussie, I think the news came out tonight, right? Did news come out on something?
No news.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the news is tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow morning on the Aussie. This is U.S. oil coming out the zone. This probably was the better zone anyway. For those that trade oils, Euro pound, somebody does trade that. This is not bad right here if you trade the Euro pound. Let's look at this in the 10-hour chart. Here we go. You try to hide from me, player? Come on, cuz. That looks really tasty. You got to see it in the time frame that they don't want you to see it in and then find it. You feel? 8 hour, 7 hour. Uh-oh. Rally base. I like it because it's a lot of moving averages underneath. This rally base rally right here, 500 in a 2-hour chart. This rally base rally right here with these little few friends. If we can get price to do this same thing that it did right here, or at least half of that. If I can get half of this, get it to right here, I'm good. Somewhere in here it's gonna pop. Right in here. That's all I want. Right here, price might too higher highs. See something. It's a daily, 2 higher highs in a daily. Coming back to the bottom. Price gets down in the delta here. Might not be a bad little infringement. Big red candles, sell, 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 then buy. Break your sell, and then another candle in your face. Bang. So some decision was made here. Well, we saw the doji, right? Rally, base rally. Actually, that was a 7 hour, 8 hour. 8 hour doji. Sell, you see the push down? What we gonna do from here? This is what we gonna do. So I like that a little bit. Hopefully Euro Aussie comes back too. Euro New Zealand. Euro Yen looks like it might wanna Jenga fall. Pound CAD just said bump you. I'm not coming back. Find somebody else. All right, people. Let me get up out of here. Nobody has any questions. Or if anybody does have any questions, hit me up. Let me know. I appreciate y'all. Hit the like button before y'all leave, please. Much appreciated. Before y'all snatch up out of here. Before I get to the, I'm waiting on which 4 hour candle, Louis, and what chart. I'm ready to punch Ripple in the face right now. Oh, man. CAD yen. Carolyn, we appreciate you too. I'll see y'all in a couple of days. I'm going to get back to the weekly analysis too. I think my little vacation's over. I'll be back to weekly analysis this weekend. Gonna start some recording too. Swiss yen looking like it don't wanna. Yeah, some of these yen pairs just might fall all night. Just be mindful. You're gonna wake up and these things are all gonna have dirty diapers. I just want this CAD yen might not even come back. Maybe we can get another candle to come in here and then fall. But anyway, shorts for the yen pair, definitely. I'll see y'all. You're Aussie long. I didn't even see that, B Jizzle. From 152.42. 152.42. Did you get in it already, busy? Oh, you wasn't in it yet. You
That was the trade from this morning while we was gone.
Oh, that's the trade that you took this morning.
Yeah.
Previous 4-hour candle. So how many pips was that? 52. That's 50.
61.
75. 75 pips. Kind of
Yeah.
total. I mean, good
Total.
shot. Good shot though. It's this 4-hour candle to the left. That dude, him. But I still think it's a long still, even tonight. I just, if it comes, it might go from here, but I would like if it just trickles further back into here, and then we out of here. Somewhere in one of these little realms. But thanks folks for showing up. Hit me up if you need anything. I'll be right here. We're gonna post our FTMO challenge too. I was just gonna desecrate it. So y'all, it's possible. All right, and watch out for gold down here too. Gold might pop up a little bit tonight for all you gold traders. And for you cryptoers, you might see a little reversal in your accounts. Okay, I think crypto might go up for maybe a month or two, maybe. For all the disbelievers, it has to turn back around. I gotta play mind games. Look at this CAD yen, son of a dang nabbit CAD yen. Better come back up here by the night. But all right, I'll see y'all Sunday or Saturday for weekly analysis. Appreciate y'all for coming. As always, from the Pip Getterz, trade smart, trade the chart. And as always, love somebody other than yourself. All right, folks. Oops, I did the screen share button. All right, folks, I appreciate it. Thank you much. Comment, tell a friend, leave a good note. Make sure you leave a comment too. Good night. Weekend, I'm not sure. I just do it on the weekends. I'm just not sure what time I do it. Probably not Saturday, probably Sunday. Summertime, probably Sunday by like 1 or 12 or 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 2 o'clock, before the session opens. Definitely gonna be on Sunday though. Sunday, not Saturday. All right. And thank you for inquiring. I appreciate it. Y'all take it easy, and as always, God bless. Trade smart, trade the chart. All right, and I'll see y'all soon. Appreciate it. Don't hurt nobody.